Hey friends, I'm about to head out the door to go to my local Hobby Lobby to see what they have. I am looking to see what they have new that I haven't seen before. This gives me an opportunity to get out of the house and do something different and not be out in the Arizona heat. So come on, let's go check it out. And I am looking through the yarn section and I found, I like the stitch markers and everything. These stitch markers are cute, $2.79. And then they have a ring, open ring one. This is a needle threader. It's a keychain. But look, you travel size crochet hooks for $2.79. And then let's see what else they have here. They have yarn needles here, $1.29, $1.29, $99 for plastic ones. And then they just keep going here. And then they have some stitch correctors. That's what this is. It's a smaller crochet hook for $1.99. And then wool needles and bent tip needles. I actually prefer these. These are nice to go into small places. Oh, here's a tatting shuttle. Who are my tatters out there? $2.99. Very cool. Yarnology stitch counter. I have one of these. I sometimes decide I want to use it. Then you've got a little container to hold your needles in, which is $6.99. Stitch markers here. These are really cute. Little shapes. Needle minders. Bulb pins. I have a few of these. There's some more. Then if you have metal crochet hooks, they have crochet grip set, $1.29. Stitch markers again with a case. And you've got carbon rings, not sure what those are for. More stitch markers. Those are stitch markers. Those are $5.49. And then you have a plethora of different type of scissors, and these all appear to be between $6.99, $5.99, and $4.99. And they've got some more here at the top. They've got travel ones, snips for $1.99. This in the corner, and then rainbow gloss. That's a really pretty set of scissors there. Comes with a case. And then you have stitch marker set right here with a little container. That's really cute. Then you come through here and they have all sorts of knitting needles. Not as educated with the knitting needles, but they also have larger, these are really cool, jumbo stitch markers. These are $4.99. And then they've got stitch markers that are shaped different. I don't know why they're shaped different. Anyone know why these would be shaped different? $6.99. There's a yarn guide, so if you're knitting, there's that. Some more knitting needles. Those are $4.49. Then they have a bunch of different kinds of crochet hooks. So they have metal here for $3.79. You get a set. Then you have your crochet hooks that are plastic, all ranging 99 cents. And you've got wooden ones, $2.49 and $2.99, depending on the size that you want. And then down here, Susan Bates and Yarnology needles, priced at different things. And here is a, ooh, this has got a nice grip to this. It looks like it has a metal tip. No, I don't think that's metal. But those are cool. And those are different prices depending on the size of hook that you want. But the ergonomic, there I can speak, grip feels really nice. And they have this other Yarnology luxury crochet hook. Those are really cool. And then if you come down here, ergonomic crochet hook set with a case for $14.99. I don't know how smooth the metal would be, but probably not as smooth as your higher end crochet hooks, and then you have your metal set, and then you come over here to the wooden set. I don't prefer these because they don't feel as good to me in my hands. So I had one that was given to me and I donated it because I didn't like it. But here's more sets of crochet hooks and singles. And here you have, this has a different grip on it. I don't know that I would enjoy that, but some people might enjoy that. And then you have double-ended crochet hooks. Those are interesting. And then you have these that are for, they're an Afghan hook. That's what they're called. They're $1.99. Then you have your clover, a couple of those. I like these. Then I've had these light up ones. They are okay. Then you have a lot more metal hooks up here. And then you have more knitting needles. They have upped their game here in their section of tools. And so there's a little learn to crochet book, and it has, oh, that's kind of cool. It has a measuring tape and a pom-pom maker and stitch markers and crochet hooks. And I don't have a price on that. Must be, oh, $7.99. I'm noticing something I've never noticed before, probably because I only come in here looking for yarn, but I'm noticing that they have these different books to help crochet. So I think that we're going to, and these are free, that you can take for inspiration. So this one is Yarn for the Holidays and gives you, you know, different ideas of how you can use specific yarn. So that's pretty cool. And then we'll go over here. This is free inspiration, how to use velvet and fur yarn. So it gives ideas on blankets and hats and different ideas to crochet different things. And look at that, it even has a pattern on the back. So you've got velvet and fur yarn if you wanted to use that, which I'm in the fur section. And right now it's 30% off. And then learn to crochet now. Look at that, $9.99. That wouldn't be a bad idea if you can read and understand what they're saying. Then we are coming over here, and please take free inspiration. So this one is winter yarn accessories, and it tells you again how to make different things and gives you instructions for patterns on how to crochet different items. They have a book about scarves. Oh, these are very intricate. That's a big scarf right there that person is wearing. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, I see another one. This is cool. Chunky yarn gives you different, oh, how cute is that? Look at that lamb. So, looks like, let's take this one off and see what's inside. How cute is this? Has the pattern for the sheep in there. And then, what is this? Blanket. And then you could make these other items here, and then a rug that you could make. How cute. This is a really cute idea. So knit and crochet patterns for cozy home, needle art projects and patterns. This is a free thing as well. Zoom this out so you can see what it is. I love that it has it in the section so that you can see which yarns that would be best for working with the projects. I don't know, have you noticed these before in your Hobby Lobbies near you? They have another free inspiration. It's cozy blankets, and someone looks like they pulled that off. So I'll just take this one. Let's look at it, see what it's like inside. Oh, if I can get my finger in there. That's a really pretty blanket. Beautiful baubles, colorful checks. Gives the pattern in there and the pattern in there. And then I'm, of course, in the I Love This Yarn section. So if you're looking for that one, I'm sure it's probably in the similar area. So I found another one. It's all wrapped up. Looks like 2 poncho patterns, 1 knit, 1 crochet. So this one is the knit pattern. And then the shell done is in there. And I am in the soft, sleek yarn area. Now this is amazing. Shawl and scarf. That shawl is really pretty. And then I'm going to pull this one down because I like this one. So you've got your scarf pattern, which that one is the scarf pattern, and then the shawl is here. That is really pretty. And this is also in the I Love This Yarn section. I found this really cute pattern for a rainbow with baby yarn. Let's pull this one down because why not? Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
Yeah, I don't know.
Pattern for that is in there.
I don't like that enough.
Let me see if it's on the nursery blooms, so you can make things with all of the baby yarn, which there is a lot in here. Okay, another one I found is granny squares, and it's also in the I Love This Yarn section. Let's look at this one. This section's getting really busy here. So for this one, they have the pattern for this bag, the tote pattern.
Oh, that's cute.
How pretty that is.
That would be fine.
Very, very cute.
That looks exactly like.
So this one is in the I Love This Yarn section too. So here is one of crochet flowers. This is also in the I Love This Yarn section. Oh, perfect. You can make a marigold. I'm going to go home and try this.
Which one's your wife? Black
And then you have olive leaves. Look at how pretty. Oh, that's really pretty.
That's what I said. I didn't like them either.
DIY wreath right there. Gives tips and canvas art, crochet gift. Beautiful. Find this free pattern and all the other crochet flowers how-to at hobbylobby.com. There you go. I found another one that has the amigurumi pattern. Very cute. This was in the chenille Sweet Delight baby section. But look, the Polar Pal pattern is all in here, but look at this rhino. I am just in love with this guy. Swim Pro Rhino, and he has the things on his arms, the swimming floaty things, and then look at this really cute giraffe. Now the pattern for both looks like they can be found at hobbylobby.com. Very cool. Here is the last one. So the Cotton Projects is in with the I Love This Cotton yarn. We're going to pull this one off because I think this is adorable. Look, toast, eggs, bacon, avocado, tomato. How cute. All right, let's open this one up. You can make basket and table runners. Oh, that's a cute idea. Making the coasters, but having it have a place. Then cup cozy. If I can do this one-handed. Oh, how cute. A little tote that you can have. And let's see what's on the back here. Oh, that's really pretty. Wow. That, again, I wonder if you can find those in hobbylobby.com. But that's a really cool pattern. I like that. They also have quite a few of these crochet kits that I've not seen before. Star Wars and Lilo and Stitch and Winnie the Pooh, $7.99. And then you come up here and they have chenille crochet, so a bunny, a deer, a cow, and a bee. And then you come up and here's a Highland cow, a cactus, that's really cute, a cat, and a dog. Those are all $5.99. And then you come up here and they have keychains. How cute is that? They have a cowboy hat, cherries, a mushroom, peas in a pod. And then you come up, those are vary in price. So you have $2.79 for the peas, $2.29 for the mushroom, $2.29 for the cherries, and $1.99 for the cowboy hat. Then you come up here and you have these cute little amigurumi, the penguin, the whale, the chick, dinosaur, panda, fox, frog, bear, chicken, cat, pig, and bee. Now these look like they're all different prices too. So the pig and the bee at the top are $6.49. The cat is $5.99. The chicken, I think, is $6.49. The bear is $3.99. The frog is $4.49. So it's the fox and the panda, and the dinosaur, and the chick. The whale is $3.99. The penguin is $3.99. As you can see, I picked up quite a few of these little books. They are really cool. And I am going to go check out hobbylobby.com. What did you find the most fascinating? And do you have a Hobby Lobby near you? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.